Do you know what data types Python supports? This question might seem simple, but the answer forms the foundation of Python programming. You see, Python, like other programming languages, has a variety of data types, each with its unique properties and uses. Understanding these is key to mastering Python. So sit back, relax, and allow me to guide you through the world of Python data types. First on the list are integers. Often abbreviated as int, these are the whole numbers you learned about back in elementary school. Numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. They can be positive, negative, or even 0, but they do not have a decimal point. Next up, we have floats. These are numbers that do have a decimal point. So 3.14, negative 0.5, you get the drift. Floats are incredibly useful when you need to work with numbers that aren't whole, providing a level of precision that integers just can't offer. Then we have strings. These are sequences of characters enclosed in either single or double quotes. For example, "Hello Python" is a string. Strings are how Python handles text, and they can contain any characters you like. Letters, numbers, symbols, even spaces. Moving on, we find ourselves at lists. Lists are ordered collections of items. They can contain any type of data, integers, floats, strings, even other lists. For instance, is a list. The items in a list are ordered, which means they stay in the order you put them in. Next, we have tuples. These are similar to lists in that they can contain any type of data. But there's a catch. Once you create a tuple, you can't change it. This is called immutability. It makes tuples perfect for storing data that shouldn't be modified. Now let's talk about dictionaries. These are a bit different from the previous data types. A dictionary, often abbreviated as dict, is a collection of key value pairs. For example, name, Alice, age, 30 is a dictionary with two keys, name and age, and two corresponding values, Alice and 30. Then we have sets. These are a bit like lists, but with two key differences. First, they're unordered, which means the items don't have a fixed order. Second, every item in a set is unique. This makes sets ideal for storing items where order doesn't matter and duplicates aren't allowed. Finally, we come to Booleans. These are the simplest data types in Python. They can only be true or false. Booleans are used when you need to test whether something is true or false, hence the name. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Python's data types. From integers to Booleans, each one has its place, its uses, and its quirks. And remember, Python also lets you create your own custom data types using classes. But that's a topic for another day. For now, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep coding.